Hey guys, I'm Scott, and thanks for stopping by. It's another beautiful morning in New Mexico. Hope things are great where you are. Today we're going to add to our guitar skills by learning how to use octaves to move around the fretboard. On a single string, we know the chromatic scale is 12 sequential frets, and the note names are named after the 7 first letters of the alphabet. A guitar in standard tuning has 2 E strings, one on the top and one on the bottom, and there's going to be an A, D, G, and B string in between. These notes are going to allow us to have a starting point so we can find other notes in the fretboard. So how do we use octaves to move around the fretboard more effectively? Well, let's find 2 C strings versus 2 C notes on 2 different strings. The first one will be on the A string, an A, an A sharp, a B, and a C. We can do the same thing on the G string. We have G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. And now we have our 2 C notes, and we'll notice that they are separated by 2 strings and 2 frets. Now this works really good for the E and A string. The D and the G string, though, we have to use a pattern of 2 strings down and 3 frets over, and this is because of the tuning of the B string. Thus we can find the same note on 2 different strings just by knowing these octave shapes. Movable patterns and shapes are a very powerful tool in using the guitar. It's going to help us navigate the fretboard more effectively. I'm Scott. I hope you found this interesting, and I'll see you next time.